going to be doing a challenge where we try to guess the Piggy death sound effect. Our dad is over there playing the sound effects with his computer turned away.
Hi.
And also guys, look it. I'm wearing our new merch.
Click on the link down below to get some merch.
And there's also the newest merch that is
Give me my house back shirt.
No,
that's actually not the newest.
Called, that's probably like the latest. Better give my house back.
Alright guys, so this is how it's gonna work. We have two teams, Weston and Brindley.
Ow.
Colton, Beckett, and me are on a team, and they're on a team. And so Daddy Miller is going to play the audio of Piggy Jumpscares. And when you know the sound, turn your button to green. And whoever turns it to green first, raises their hand or whatever, they say the name of the Piggy Skin. And if they get it wrong, then the other team gets to go.
I'm gonna get a lot of these wrong, I'll tell you that.
Comment down below, guys, if you think this will be hard or easy, and which team do you think is going to win.
I'm not what the one was to beat.
And 3, 2, 1, go!
You know it, Beckett, you knew it.
Valdi.
We have 1 point. Ready? Get ready.
Next one coming. Here we go.
Is that,
No.
Okay, wait, they hit first.
is that Penny from chapter 12?
I don't think so.
No, I know exactly. I know the jump there. It's the Dr. Bear guy from Peppa Pig.
I don't think so. This particular skin
They get there, guys.
has an eye patch and a black beret. They're using a sword.
We don't know. We give up. Can we see?
We give up. Oh, come on! Ghosty! Ghosty!
Is that
sounded like a cow.
ghosty?
It sounded like nobody got points.
No
We
points.
still are winning with 1.
That
All
little
right.
Okay. Next one coming.
No.
God, that's loud. I think I know it.
Brindley buzzes in.
Is it Foxy?
No, not Foxy.
Somebody. Let me get Ray.
It is not raised. Oh, this particular skin has really big ears, and the weapon is
I
looks
know.
like a candy cane.
Ellie. Elephant, whatever. I know. Bonnie.
ears.
Dessa!
I know. It's the moose.
It's not the moon.
Okay, none of us got a point again. Who was it?
It's Mousy! Are you kidding me? Mousy! Are you kidding me, Mousy?
You should have mentioned her robot legs.
Here we go.
Oh,
Mr. P.
Mr.
Oh,
Correct. Weston is right.
that was right.
I said Mr.
We all knew it, but they hit their button first, so they get the point. So they have 1 point.
I was preparing for Mr. P to happen.
Yeah, he was. Okay, we ready?
The buzzes in. Alright, mommy's team.
Daffy.
You can't say it. Hold on. Let me
Buzz.
Team Mimi and Willow.
Rays. It's the mouse with the sauce.
The character has multicolored eyes. One red and one green. They're wearing a tie. They look like.
Oh, I know.
Yes.
Badger.
Oh, wait, let me see that.
We got red.
We have 2 points. Woo! Go team!
No, great.
Comes the next one.
Oh, what in...
Which one?
Ellie.
No.
Darn. That was a long exaggeration.
That's the deer?
I don't think Daddy knows what the cat is.
I think
That's
Weston's
the
right.
Wait, let me see it.
No,
No!
Who was
that's
that?
an antelope.
That's not an antelope, that's a bull.
Oh, who is that?
Bully?
He doesn't.
Okay, is everybody ready?
Yep.
No, we don't know that.
How about the original Piggy? I knew it.
Pony.
No, it's not pony.
Is there a hint?
Yeah, it has multiple arms.
Parasite! Parasite!
Stella.
No, it's not Spadella.
Bella.
It's Parasite! It's Parasite. Does it look like an alien? That's Parasite! That's Parasite!
Alright, they got a point. It's 2-2. Tie, guys. Tie.
You said I was wrong!
Okay, here we go.
That sounded like a pig.
Robbie.
Yes. Colton's turn.
Original?
Original Piggy.
It's the one with the red eye.
Big cheeks,
Bunny?
red eyes.
Bunny?
It was like a wooden board with a nail in it.
Is it Pony?
I don't know who it is. We give up.
Pony
Who is it?
has...
Wait, it's a donkey?
Wait, that's one of Peppa's friends.
It's a little
Donkey.
a-hole.
It's one of Peppa's
Donkey.
friends.
Donkey!
These are hard.
Donkey!
Hopefully they're ones we know now.
Hey, here comes the next one.
That one's deep.
Oh,
That
that
was
was
a
a tie. I'll let you guys guess. Go ahead.
Alright, was that Piggy from chapter 12?
Ellie.
Trying to give a hint that's not going to give it away. They're wearing a police uniform.
Doggy!
Doggy! No, we must him first! We must him first! Holy! Holy!
It was wrong anyways.
Nobody got it. Wow.
Holy was a secret skin!
Yeah, there's a
you
lot of
can only
secrets.
get
You
him
gotta know your
secretly.
skins.
Yeah, this is really
I don't feel so
hard.
bad because I don't know either.
All right, still 2-2. We're still tied at 2-2. Ready?
Yep.
No.
What in the world?
Piggy.
Oh, I know it! Dr. Brown Bear! No!
Pumpkin Piggy.
Pumpkin.
How about Daddy Pig?
Oh, soldier.
I was about to get soldier. Are you kidding me?
Hey guys, it's still 2-2.
These are random clips. I don't pick them.
Oh, I know that one.
I was here first.
I
I forgot the name, but it's like the guy with the flamethrower. I forgot the name. What?
say it.
What?
Even I know this one.
Don't say it. Don't say it. 5.
Oh.
I'm just saying flamethrower, dude.
No, I know. It's torture.
Torture! Come on! My stupid brain!
Okay, 3-2. Ready, guys?
Yup.
Party. Ellie. Bunny. Buzz.
Is it Kitty? Dark.
Cooling.
Can you have a hint?
Wearing glasses. Using
Pony.
Dr. Brown Bear. I remember. I was Brown Bear.
Me.
Weston was onto something.
It was Mimi. It was Mimi, Weston. You were right, but don't get a point because you guessed too many times.
Yes.
It
Alright,
wasn't
here we
your turn. 3-2 us.
Zombie.
Robbie. He meant to say Robbie.
Obvious.
All right.
No. Whoa. Yes, that's it, Robbie.
I'm an idiot.
I told you I don't want to be on the team. I don't trust
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm pretty sure that's what was the one with the saws for arms again? Raids.
I think it's zombie.
Hit.
Particular skin. It's an event.
Mousy.
Didn't we already do Mouse?
3 points. No, we did not.
that
No, that was Mousy with robot legs.
I have no idea what's going on.
Okay, guys, you're catching up. You have 3, we have 4.
Buzz. Bear. Because I know bears make the exact sound.
They all make a lot.
There you go.
Okay, what do you guys think it is?
Piggy?
Distorted Piggy.
I don't think you guys get it.
What?
That doesn't count. It's a mod.
Next one right now.
Hard. Angel Piggy?
That's stuff.
Torture.
Oh.
So happy.
That's a vicious draft.
Here comes the next one.
Ready?
Zappy.
That was Zizzy. Yay! Guys, we got 5. They have 3. We are still winning. Yes, baby.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, sounds like Grammy.
Grand Piggy.
Okay, Beckett was getting tired, so we lost a teammate. That's okay. I gave you guys a major hint on that one. I said it sounds like Granny.
No, you didn't.
Rewind it. We'll play it. sounds like Granny.
Here we go, next one.
Oh,
That's Barry.
Nope.
It's a bear.
Ellie.
high five! 6-4.
Okay, next one.
Pony.
Oh man, that was Pony. All right, fair
We're
enough.
tied now.
No, we're 6-5.
Okay, next one, Odin.
Barry.
His
Distorted
name is
pig.
Barry.
What's that? Possibly.
Let's see it.
Let's see this.
That's Dino Piggy.
Okay.
One coming, here we go.
Wait, you're piggy.
All right.
Colton.
Wait, that was it? Normal piggy.
That was-
Woo!
I didn't even know that was it. That's so unfair.
7-5.
Okay, hold on. Brandon.
She doesn't know it.
Ray.
I would say the
know
vent
it.
guy.
Crawl trap.
Yeah, crawl trap. So it has a roar and
Last one.
It's Miss Gazelle. It's the teacher.
Oh wow.
yeah.
There's gonna be 3 more. It is 7-6. Us. Okay, ready?
Mommy pig.
What do you think it is?
Ray.
Hint.
So it has a black eye and it has 2 white ears and it has a white nose and it has white hands and it has a black dress and a black sword.
Distorted Piggy.
Black bat.
A distorted Piggy, like black and white Piggy from the distorted world.
Oh.
Yeah!
7-7. Hey.
Y'all gotta pay attention here.
That sounded something from.
That was a tie.
Colton.
Tie. Not orange and black.
Not orange and black. Can't be tight, Greek.
Daddy pig.
Hey, Becca, give us some hints.
So it had white wings and.
Oh,
Angel Piggy! It was us first! It was us first!
all right. Weston knows it. Weston knows it. What is it?
Angel Piggy.
We all knew it, but Weston raised his hand first. Now they took the lead, 8-7. This is the last one.
Here we go.
Is there a crow piggy?
Sorry, bud.
Ellie.
What does it look like, Beckett?
Some hints back there.
It has a white eye and a red eye and a orange face and a piggy!
Pump Piggy.
A blue dress and a shovel.
I know it.
Last one.
I know it. It's Kitty.
No! Yes!
Tiebreaker. Tiebreaker.
No.
Tiebreaker.
Can we see it?
I think we ended a tie. Okay, guys, that is it for Miller Family Fun Time. Keep it fun with the Millers.
Yeah.
Keep it fun!
Keep it
Or
full.
chaotic.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, make sure you comment down below and see if we should do a part 2.
See you guys next time. Keep it fun.
I really want a part 2.
Bye.
Bye.